Hey there, I want to make a quick video showing you how to customize some of the database views to better fit the needs of your workflow. I'm going to go over customizing project status and client properties, as well as creating templates for new projects, new tasks, and new clients. If you've already watched the main dashboard overview here, you know that the current project Kanban board is a specific view of the project archive, and this can be customized to make sure the project status matches with your business, and here's how to do so. First, open up the project archive, then scroll all the way to the right until you see the project status property. Go ahead and click on it and hover over to edit property. You can see that here are all the status points that are shown on the main dashboard. If you want to add, delete, or edit any of these status options, this is where you do so. By clicking on an option, you can change the text, color, and rearrange them as needed. Once you've done that, head back to the main dashboard and see your changes made. If you'd like to change what each board is showing here, go to Settings, Property Visibility, and these are all of the project properties to be shown for each card and which ones are hidden below. Staying in the view settings, if you go to Layout, you can even choose to show a card preview based on that project's cover photo. While we're still looking at the projects database, I'd like to show you how to create templates for new projects. To do so, you'll click the down arrow next to New, and that will show you any current templates for that specific database, in this case, the project archive. You can see here that New Project is the default, so when new projects are added, they will use this as the template. You can edit this by clicking the three dots to the right. This is where templates can be really powerful for customizing this dashboard to your workflow. Anything here can be edited to whatever makes the most sense for you. For example, if you'd like to consolidate the category and type properties because they don't make sense to the type of projects that you work on, then this is where you can make those changes. Another helpful thing about this is if you find yourself constantly adding in the same details, then just add it to the template and it'll populate every single time you create a new project. Now, if we head over to the client directory, we can make similar changes that will reflect in the client database. For example, if you need to adjust the client status property to better suit your needs, just go to the new client template and edit the property for client status. This will directly relate to the client management section of the dashboard. Like the project template, if there's something you find yourself always needing to add or change, by doing it here, it will reflect every new client page you add. For example, if you don't want any new clients starting with the new client status and would rather be set to negotiating, this is where you would do that. Like with projects and clients, new task templates are exactly the same. If we open up today's tasks and click on the down arrow by new, we can see exactly the template that loads when new tasks are created. One thing to note with this is project-specific tasks created within the project page will automatically link that project to them, whereas tasks created outside of a project will just be general tasks. I'll show an example here. So if we go to this e-commerce product photography and scroll down and create a new project task and then open it up, you can see that it's already created a project because it was created within that project page. Now that you know how to edit and create new templates, I can show you the architecture of the quick buttons here. By clicking just to the right of the button, you get the edit button settings, and you can see a clear script as to what will happen when the button is clicked. In this case, it will add a new page to the project archive as new project, and then open that newly created page. If you click new project, this is where your other templates will show up if you have any others. Knowing this might give you ideas for other quick buttons to help you streamline your workflow. I hope that was helpful, and thank you for checking out my Freelance Notion template.